Hello guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well, fine and healthy. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a homemade remedy to get rid from dark circles. So yeah, let's jump into the video. First of all, we need one peeled carrot, one tomato and one potato. Crush them all in a straight way because we need their pure water to make this remedy workable. Once it's done, take out their water in a single container one by one. I am staining tomatoes water first and then I'll go with potato and then carrot. Their pure water helps you to get rid from dark circles in very short of time. As you guys can see, it's done. Now I will take out the potatoes water, and if you want to measure their water quantity, then it is better to use 1 tablespoon of each. So yeah, if you guys are liking this video, so please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So yeah, I'm taking out carrot juice here. It's done. Now take an empty container and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in it and give it a mix. Now add vegetables water in it which we had taken out. Don't add all the water at the same time. Now keep mixing it for 3 minutes so that it comes out a good creamy form mixture. Before moving to the next step, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. Have you done it? So let's move to the next step. I am adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in it and mix it well. So one more important ingredient we need to add in it is vitamin E capsules. I am adding 2 vitamin E capsules in it. You can get these capsules from any general store or any medical store. This remedy definitely remove your dark circles. Again mix it for 2 minutes for the last time, okay? Let me tell you how to use this remedy. You need to use this remedy before taking sleep. Yes, apply this remedy under your eyes and massage it for 3 minutes and take proper sleep. When you will wake up, wash your face with any soap or clean water. Use this remedy daily until you get rid from dark circles. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you do, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to watch skin whitening or other remedies video, then link is in the description box. Go and check it out. That's all about today. See you in the next video.